The next step is how to install your eSIM. Super easy. You have on the website your eSIMs, you click here, and then you have the current eSIMs, Albania. I go to details and I have the instructions how to install. Or you received an email also with instructions and with a QR code. But let's go back to my own account. I screenshot this QR code, then I go to settings and I open mobile services and I go to add eSIM. Other options, use QR code, open photos, the last one. Now it's reading the QR code and then you say activate eSIM, continue, and it will activate your eSIM. And then normally what I do is I label with the name of the country so I don't mix up the eSIMs. So in this case, I have here used as a business. And I want this as travel, and then travel Albania. But it's turned off because I'm not using it right now. And that's it. Simple and easy. Always do this before the trip, because then when you land you can immediately connect, and also you need Wi-Fi to install your eSIM. Have fun and safe travels.